Self-management after marriage is very, very important. And you know what? In this video, I'm going to talk to you about why it is very important and crucial. Don't go anywhere and let's get right into this. As a husband and as a wife, why is it important to take care of yourself very, very well in marriage? So I'm actually going to talk about 3 reasons why you need to take care of yourself. Now, the first reason why you need to take care of yourself in marriage is so that you can look attractive to your wife or your husband, just like how they found you when you people were dating. So it is very, very much important to maintain that attractiveness, that passion, that way of life that you people live, so that there could still be something that reminds your spouse each and every single time that they see you in the house. Because right now they are living with you, but there should be something that will always remind them of being lucky to have you. So attractiveness is point number 1. So point number 2 is to add value to yourself. Let me tell you all something. Every husband or wife is proud and can be boastful of a spouse that adds value to him or herself. Imagine that after you got married, you don't want to work anymore, you don't want to even continue education, even though your spouse has given you the support regardless. You don't want to do anything. At the end of the day, if you don't do all these things, it means that you are not adding any value to your life, and your spouse cannot even boast about you. Because the thing is that as you go out, people see you and people keep your description in their mind. And let me tell you, this is why sometimes certain people or certain men or women do not even talk about their partners in public. It's as if they're not even married, because they never talk about their spouse in public. And sometimes the reason is because their spouses do not add value to themselves, and therefore they cannot boast, because the thing that they are going to boast about is going to be a lie should in case you meet their spouse face to face. So please add value to yourself. So now the final reason is to let your husband be happy of the choice he made by marrying you. The worst thing you can experience in this life is to think that you have made the worst mistake of your life by marrying somebody. You can lose a job and that is fine, you can lose a business and that is fine, but when it comes to marriage, it leaves a particular reputation on you. And for you to say that you have regretted in marriage, that's the saddest thing. So please do not let your spouse be sad for marrying you. Don't let your spouse say that I wish I never met you. Don't let your spouse say that I wish I never got married to you, because you're not taking care of yourself, your looks, yourself, your appearance. Even your children are not even happy to introduce you as your parent. Imagine your children hiding you from their school. Oh, mommy, no, don't come to school. Mommy, don't come here. How do you even see yourself? Make yourself happy. Make your children happy. Make your spouse happy. Let even the family of your spouse know that yes, this person made the right choice. Even make your family proud of you. Okay, so take good care of yourself. So therefore, darlings, this is the end of this amazing short video about self-management or self-care in marriage. So make sure that you share this video to people that need to hear this, because sometimes people tend to get too comfortable after marriage, okay, forgetting that they can lose this man or this woman with time. Okay, so therefore share it to people, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to leave on your post notification button so that each and every single time that I post, you will be the first person to be notified. So thank you all for watching my videos, and see you all next time. Bye.